So we've got seafood coconut noodle soup today, ginger, garlic, a little bit of chili, wonderful stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So here I've got like 3 cups of a mixed seafood, like a seafood cocktail. You can buy it in oil sometimes in a jar. This was actually a frozen lot. So, you know, there's some fish sticks in there, squid, some prawns, things like that. It depends on what type you get. The noodles I'm using today are a rice noodle, and I've got around 3 cups again, about equal amounts. These are rice noodles. Now these noodles required me to soak them in water. You can use a completely different type of noodle if you want, but my ones are ready. They're prepared, soaked and drained. 1 fresh chili, 1 pint of coconut milk, 3 teaspoons of fish sauce, 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and just under a tablespoon of ginger. And then here I've got 2 cups of bean sprouts. Let's get to the cooker. This is delicious and super easy. So you're going to need a saucepan or something like that. I'm going to do it in this just so you can see it really clearly. In there I've got some oil. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the sunflower oil today. The heat is on, just above medium. There's our onion and here's our garlic and our ginger. 2 to 3 minutes. Let's stir this around, get this on the go. It's going to be fabulous. There you go, just 2 to 3 minutes there. Next up, we're going to get our mixed seafood and pop that in. I'm now going to add some black pepper, a nice big pinch. And we're going to stir fry this around for 5 minutes. Fabulous. Going to drop in that 1 chili, completely optional by the way, just gives it a nice flavour. In go the sprouts. And again, we're going to go for about another 3 minutes or so, stir frying this around. Okay, next up, we're going to add in the noodles. Like I said, I'm using these rice noodles here. We're going to get that little bit of fish sauce in, and that's why I didn't add any salt. You can add salt if you want, but fish sauce is very, very salty, so you might not need it. Check it out, see how you want it. Then we're going to go 1 pint of coconut milk, and we just put it in there, about 1 pint of water, or if you wanted some stock, some fish stock or something like that. Very simply, we're going to let this go now for 4 to 5 minutes. We're going to give it a stir every now and then. It's done. Okay, off goes the heat. Check the salt level. Like I say, the fish sauce in there is enough for me. But that's it, beautiful. Let me get that in a bowl. And there you go, wholesome, beautiful, fishy. Hope you enjoy that. I'll speak to you soon. Lots of love. Take care. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.